Hi everyone, we are going to start some topic called as uh, just hello, hello. వస్తుంది కదా? Okay, right. Thank you. Yeah, we are going to start solid geometry. Solid geometry means it covers a three-dimensional structure. These three-dimensional structures could be cube, cuboid, parallelepiped, prism, pyramids, spheres, etc., etc. Frustrums, all these things. So for this, mainly, you need to have uh, the form. You should know the formulae. If you know all the formulae, then things become very simple. So in our portal, there is something called as CDF, concepts, definitions, formulas. In Turito portal, in the content part, you have something called as CDF, concepts, definitions, formulas. Children, you can go through your CDF, concepts, definition, formulas there, and learn all the formulae. So if any problem is there, you can get back to me so that I can help you. Okay. So, but presently I'm starting with the problem solving because presuming that it is as it is crash course, we are presuming that you've already done this and you know this, I'm starting my lecture. Okay. For a cube of edge length A, what is the total length of all edges? So total length of all edges means how many edges will be there. See, if you take a cuboid, sorry, or a cube, whatever it is. I'm taking a cube because you said cube, I'm taking a cube. So now you see this is the base. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next top 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you see 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges you have. So each edge length is A. So 12 edges length is 12A. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Just give me a second's time. I'll be back. Yeah. So let us go to the next question. Yeah. Consider the cube in the figure. What is the area of ABCD? What is this ABCD? Let us see. A, B, C, D. So this is the diagonal tree. So as this is cube, every side should be of length A only. So AB will be equal to Pythagoras theorem if you use, as this is 90 degrees here, A square plus A square under root. That is root 2 times A, right? So we know AB is root 2 times A. So length of this is known and width of this is A. So area of ABCD is AB into BC, length into breadth. That is root 2A into A. So that is root 2 times A square. So option B. Okay, children, let us go to the next question now. Let us see. Yeah. The cube in the figure is cut in two different ways. The cube in the figure is cut in two different ways to create two objects in each case, which cut creates the maximum number of corners. So if you look at this, see, one is cut this way, means parallel to this one front face, and the other diagonal, Two types of cuts are shown here. So he's asking us which creates the maximum number of corners. So look at this. So a cut through the ABCD plane. You see, this is ABCD plane means this is diagonal. That's what I said. The cut through the EFGH plane. Okay. So now cut through ABCD plane means you'll get two prisms. Like this. This is one prism. Similarly, parallel to this, one more prism. Okay. So how many corners that a prism has, and how many now other one is what? Two cuboids like this. Two cuboids like this. So this is how we get it. Okay, two cuboids. Two prisms in one case, and in another case, two cuboids. Okay. So he's asking which gives us more number of edges, either through this ABCD or through EFGH. Both cuts give equal numbers or cannot say. So that's what I explained. So if it is ABCD, it will give two triangular prisms with 6 corners each, right? Triangular means 3 into 2 sides, 2 6. So, and rectangular prisms will give you 8 corners each. So if that is the case, then automatically this is more than this, right, children? Therefore, option is B. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question, children. What is the length of the longest line segment you can fit inside of a cube with side length A? What is the length of the longest line segment you can fit inside a cube with the length side A? You see, this is the triangular part. So this is A, and this will be root 2A. AC will be root 2A, and BC will be equal to A. Now this AB. AB is the diagonal of the cube, not this AC is diagonal of face of the cube. AB is diagonal of the cube. So AB is nothing but root of A square plus 2A square. That is root 3A. So option C. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Okay, so look at this. In the figure, segment AB joins. So segment AB joins two vertices of a cube. If the length of AB is 3 root 2, what is the surface area of the cube? See, it is like this, children. AB is 3 root 2, but AB is also equal to root 2 times the side, that is 3 root 2. So side is 3. Total surface area is 6s square formula. So that is 6 into 9, that is 54 units. So let us check this. So option D satisfies. Okay, let us go to the next question. Yeah. Cube X has surface area A. So A is 6s square. The edges of the cube are cube Y are. So this is cube X and there is cube Y. There are two different things. Side 1 we call it. Side of cube X is S1 we call. Cube Y are 4 times as long at the edges of cube. Means if I call this as S1 and this as S2, S2 is 4 times S1 he gave. So what is here surface area is A1 and here it is A2. A2 is 6s2 square, that is 6 into 16 into 6s1 square. So surface area, that is 6 times, this is A1. So A2 is 16 times A1. So option D. Please note it fast. Quick. Okay. So now look at this. If a 2 centimeter cube were cut in half uh, in all three directions, then in square centimeters, the total surface area of the separated smaller cubes would be how much greater than the surface area of original 2 centimeter cube? See, now look at this. The surface area of 2 centimeter cube is 6 into side square. 6 into side square, that is 24. The surface area of each 1 centimeter cube will be 6 into 1 square. Total surface area is 6 into side square. Now there are 8. See, if you take 1 means total cubes that we can get is 8 cubes. So total area of small cubes is 8 into 6, 48. So therefore, the difference in the smaller cube's total surface area and the bigger cube surface area is 48 minus 24, which is 24, which is option 1. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. For any cube, if the volume is V cubic centimeters and the surface area is S square centimeters, then S is directly proportional for N. So now look at this. See, volume is side cube. Surface area is side square. So, so we'll use A cube instead of S because that and this gets cancelled. A square. Okay. So now, if you call length of the A, if A equal to 1, suppose, if A equal to 1, S is 6 into side square. So 6 into 1, that is 6. Surface area is 6. Volume is 1 cube, that is 1. Now, if you take A equal to 2, if A equal to 2, then what happens? Surface area is 6 into 4, that is 24, and volume is 2 cube, that is 8. Okay. Now, if I say ratios of these surface areas I take, 1 power n, that is equal to 24 by V to the power of n. Okay. So now, V to the power of n equal to 24 by 6 is 4. 24 by 6 is 4. So that is what is volume we got? 8, sorry. Volume is 8 to the power of n. So 8 to the power of n equal to 24. 4 we got it. So now let us take 2 to the power of 3n equal to 2 to the power of 2. So 3n equal to 2. So n equal to 2 over 3. So option B. So instead of all these things, I can also do it like this. Volume is A cube. Surface area is A 6A square. So as if you forget this 6 number, if you take out this 6 number formula, so we'll take it as volume by sphere means if you take v square, that is a power 6, s cube equal to a power 6. So if you take this, it is 2 by 3. Volume power by surface area power is 2 by 3. That way also we can do it. But anyway, so this is another method, that is another method. So let us go to the next one. How many solid wood cubes, each with a total surface area of 294 square centimeters, means surface area is 6 into side square, that is 294. So side square is 6 4 24, 54, 6 nines. So A equal to 7 we got. Can be cut from a solid wood cube with a total surface area of TSA. Can be cut from a solid wood cube with a total surface area. So this is, we have to take n such cubes if no wood is lost in the cutting. So this we call it as A1. So bigger wood is, surface area is S2. This is S1. 6A2 square, that is 2646. So A2 square, A2 square will be 6 4 24, 6 4 24, 1. So A2 will be root, this one is 21. Okay. So we know side 1 and side 2. So now, if you take this, we got S1 as 7 and S2 as 21. So now we wanted to find the number of solid woods that can be put. So volume of first wood will be 7 cube and volume of second wood will be 21 cube. So number of cubes will be equal to 21 cube by 7 cube. That is 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. So this is the thing. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. How long is the edge of a cube whose surface area is 150 a square? So 6 side square equal to 150 a square. So side square equal to 6 if you cancel, 6 2 is 12, 6 5 is 30 a square. Side equal to 5a. So option B. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. What is the length of diagonal of a cube? So length of diagonal of cube. is root 3 times side. So this is root 3 into 3 is 3 root 3. So option D. Please note it. Quick. Okay. Let us go to the next question. So a roll of wallpaper is 3 feet wide and 25 feet long. How many rolls can be needed to cover a cube whose edge is 15 feet? See, each roll has how much area? 3 into 25. So that is 75 square feet. Okay. Now we should cover this with the, with a cube whose edge is 15 feet. So what is surface area, total surface area of a cube? 6 into side square, which is 1350. So number of papers that we need is we should take the ratio of those things of 1350 with 75. So you'll be getting 18 rolls. So please note it fast, quick. Okay, let's go to the next question. What is the length of the diagonal of a rectangular solid with a length of 4 units and width is 3 units? So first of all, and height of course is 6 units. This is the thing. So let us take a cuboid. This is the cuboid. In that, length is given as 4 units and width is 3 units, height is 6 units. This is what is given. So he is asked, let us name them A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So he is asking us to find AD. So AD is nothing but AD is equal to root of AC square plus BC square. Now what is AC? AC equal to root of 4 square plus 3 square. That is 5. So this is 5 square plus 6 square. DC is 6. Yes, height. So 5 square plus 6 square. So that is 25 plus 36. So this is root of 61. Okay. 61 is approximately 7.8. So children, I think you followed this. Let us go to the next question. The figure shows a cement block of 36 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 9 centimeters with two 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter openings. So let us look at the diagram first. What is the weight of the cement block? So this is the diagram. You see, this is 36, 20, and 9. 36, 20, and 9. Height is this. So if these are the holes with 10 and 8, definitely the height should be same 9 only. So what is the weight of the cement block to the nearest graph? So what is that we should do? Volume 1 minus 2 times volume 2 into the this one, the density. Okay. So what is volume 1? The major block, 36 into 20 into 9. 36 into 20 into 9 is the volume of the major block, minus 2 of the smaller blocks you remove, volume. 10 by 8 they gave, and the depth is 9. So this 5040. So volume, I mean weight is density into volume. That's what I mentioned there. So that is equal to 1.7 into 5040, that is 8568. So option D. Please note it fast, quick. Let us go to this question. A manufacturing company produces cardboard boxes by cutting out square corners 3 inches in by 3 inches. So let us look at the diagram. So it is like this. So here 4 corners they are cut like this. And boxes are made. So what is that length he gave? The length is 3x and 2x plus 2. The cardboard is then folded and then made. So like this. So this is the thing. So length of this cardboard is 3x and width is 2x plus 2. So this is 3, 3 means this should also be 3, 3. Everywhere it is 3. So these are the lengths of the cut pieces. Okay. That means this is also 3. That means height becomes 3. So what is this length equal to? 3x minus 2 3's here. So 6. Okay. What is this length here? 2x plus 2 minus 6. Plus 2 minus 6 is plus minus 4. So length of the box that we get is 3x minus 6 and width is 2x minus 4 and height is 3. So what is that he's asking exactly? A manufacturing company produces cardboard boxes by cutting out square corners 3 inches in by 3 inches and from the rectangular pieces of cardboard of this. Okay. The cardboard is then folded along the dashed lines to form a box without a top. What is the if the volume of the box is 162? So length into breadth into height is 162 he gave. So what is LBH 3x minus 6 into 2x minus 4 into 3 equal to 162. So now 3 common here and 2 common there into 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 2 equal to 162. So 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. So if you cut with 9, 9 ones 9, 9 8 72, 18. 18 by 2, 9. So x minus 2 whole square is 9, implies x minus 2 is 3. I cannot take minus 3 because we get x as negative. So x equal to 5. So now what is the dimension of the original cardboard? Original cardboard length is 3x, 3 5 is 15, and width is 2x minus 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 means what? 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, this is the thing. 15 by 12 inches, we got this. So please note it fast from the previous page. Yeah, note it from here. Okay, let us go to the next question. Yeah, now we look at this. An aquarium tank in the shape of a rectangular prism is 20 inches. Long means length is 20, width is 16, and height is 12. If 2,400 cubic inches of water is added into the tank, how far is the surface of the water from the top of the tank? So look at this. If you call height of water as h, when 2,400 cubic inches of water is added to the tank. So water is 2,400 cubic inches. That is equal to 20. Length into width is 16 into height. We don't know h. We call it as x. So x equal to 2,400 by 20 into 16. So what is this equal to? 20 means it is 120 by 16. 4 30s and 4 4s. So that is 7.5 if I'm right. 30 by 4. 30 by 4 is 7.5. Yeah. So now what is actual height? 12 feet minus 7.5. So that is h minus x. That is equal to what? 4.5. So answer is D, 4.5. Please note it fast. Quick. Please note it fast, children. Yeah. The figure shows a cube and a rectangular prism. If the volume of rectangular prism is 30 times the volume of cube, what is the value of x? This is very, very simple. So volume of cube is 30 times the volume of cube. So volume of cube into 30 equal volume of rectangular prism. So volume of rectangular prism is nothing but 4x plus 3 into 4x minus 3 into 2x equal 30 times volume of cube. So edge of cube is what? X. So x cube will get. So 4x plus 3 into 4x minus 3, 16x squared minus 9. You cancel 1, 2x. Otherwise, you take 1, 2x common. So minus 2x, if you take common, you'll get 15x squared into 2x equals 0. Anyway, this cannot be 0. So that is ruled out. 16 minus 15 is x squared minus 9 is 0. X equal to 3. So this is the option. So option D satisfies. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah, let's go to the next question. Yeah. The volume of a rectangular box is 144 cubic inches, he gave. So if I say side is x, then volume is x cube is 144. The height of solid is 8 inches. Oh, rectangular box is x, sorry. So this cannot be the same. So height is 8, volume is 144, which measurements in inches could be the dimensions of the base. So length into breadth is how much? So volume equal to LBH. So 144 equal to LB into H is 8. LB equal 144 by 8. So that is 8 ones are 8. You have 64, 8, 8, 64. Length into breadth is 18. So now let us see which could be the answer. So 12 into 8 will not give us the, 18. So 9 into 9 is 81. 2.5 into 7.2 could be this, could be the answer. 5 into 3 is 15. So let us see either A or B. So 3.3 into 5.5. 15, 16.5, and 3 5 is 15. Oh, so this is 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15, 16. So you'll be getting it as 5, 11, 7, 17.15. 17.15 is approximately 18. Let us see what is 2.5 into 7.2. 25 to is 50. 25 is 7, 175 plus 5, 180. So this is 0. So answer is B. Please go on fast, quick. Now you see. A rectangular fish tank has a base 2 feet wide and 3 feet long. Length is 3 feet, width is 2 feet. When the tank is partially filled with water, a solid cube with an edge of length 1 feet, length of cube is 1 feet, is placed in the tank. If no overflow of water from the tank is assumed, by how many inches will the level of water in the tank rise when the cube becomes completely submerged? So water displaced is equal to volume of cube. Water displaced is volume of cube. So now look at this. So the cube has an edge of 1 unit length. So the volume of water that is displaced is 1 cubic feet. Volume that is displaced is 1 cubic feet. So now he is asking you to find out how many inches will the level of water in the tank rise when the cube is completely submerged. Let H represents the change in number of feet of water. So volume of water displaced is 2 into 3 into H, that is equal to 1. So H is equal to what? 1/6. 1/6 foot. Okay. So therefore, where that 1/6 is there. It is option A, right, children? So let us look at this. So volume of water displaced equal to volume of cube. So 3 into 2 into H is equal to 1 cube. H equal 1/6 feet. So please note it fast. Quick. Okay. Let us go to the next question. So look at this. A cylinder is inscribed into a cube of edge length 5 units. What is the maximum volume? What is the maximum value? Sorry, not value that the volume of the cylinder can take. See, it is a cube, right? It is a cube. It is like this. So maximum volume is cylinder should touch all four sides like this. All four sides. So this is again same. Here also it should touch all the four sides. This is the cylinder. Okay. So diameter of the cylinder is equal to side of cube. So radius of cylinder is length by 2, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Okay. Height is also equal to the length. Okay. Length of the cube. So what is the maximum value that the volume of cylinder can take? So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. That is pi into r square is 25 by 4 into height is 5. That is 125 by 4 pi. So option is B. Please note it fast, quick. Right, let us go to the next question. If the cube in the figure is cut through the plane ABCD, what would be the difference between surface area of the cube and the total surface area of the two resultant triangular prisms? Okay. So look at this children. Surface area of cube is 6s square. That is side is 8, 6a square. Okay. Now, if you take this AB, that is root 2 times A. Okay. If the cube in the figure is cut through the plane ABCD, what would be the difference between the original surface area of the cube and the total surface area of the resultant two triangular prisms? Okay. So triangular prism total surface area is LSA plus 2 times area of base. LSA is what? Perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base is A plus root 2A into height is also A plus 2 times area of base is half into base into height. That is half A square. So this is 2A plus root 2A into A plus A square. This is total surface area of one prism. So if it is two prisms, 2 times one of this. So I mean this one prism's area. So that is 2A square plus A square is 3A square plus root 2A square. This is TSA of this. So what is the difference? 6. This is larger. Definitely this will be larger. 6A square plus 2 root 2A square minus 6A square is the difference. So this is 2 root 2A square. So which option you have? Option C. Please note it fast. This is cube. This is for other two prisms. So look at this. The object shown in the figure is called a square right pyramid. See, pyramid means what? The edge will be like this. There will be no two surfaces, only one surface will be there. So this base is a square, he says. If the square base ABCD of edge of length A, so this is length A he gave, and the height OE is H. OE is perpendicular to the base of the pyramid, then CE equal to what? So this is H. OE is equal to H. And OC is equal to AC by 2. AC is root 2 times A by 2. That is A by root 2. That is OC. So now we want EC. EC is nothing but OE square plus OC square under root. That is root of OE square means H square plus OC square means A square by 2. So this is the final answer. So A square by 2 plus H square, option D. So note the process. Look at this. How many spherical snowballs with a radius of 4 centimeters can be made with the amount of snow in a spherical ball of 8 centimeters radius? So we should always take a number of balls is volume of second one by volume of first one. So that will give you this. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi. Radius of this bigger one is 8 cube by 4 by 3 pi 4 cube. So that is 2 cube. So that is equal to 8. So the number of snowballs that can be made is 8. So option C satisfies. Note it, children, quick. Right, children, let us go to the next question. The figure given is a right circular cylinder with a height of 10 inches and radius 7. Okay. What is the surface area in square inches of the cylinder near to the nearest integer? So surface area is LSA lateral, this is TSA, plus 2 times area of base. LSA is perimeter of base into height. 2 times area of base is pi r square. You take 2 pi r common, you'll get h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7 into R. R is 7 into H is 10 plus 7. So this is 2 into 22 into 17. So this is 44 into 17. 17 4 68. 17 4 68 plus 6 74. 748 square units. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Yeah. Annie is building a new silo to store grain. If the dimensions of the silo are shown, so this is the thing, how much grain could the silo hold assuming it is filled to the top? So grain is nothing but volume of cylinder plus volume of that cone. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus 1 by 3 pi r square into h. So if you take pi r square h common, so you'll get h plus 1 by 3. So that is the thing. So pi r square into h plus 1 by 3. So option D. Okay, let us go to the next question. I think you've got enough time to copy this. So look at this. Yeah, if guests are expected at a party and each guest is expected to drink 3 cylindrical glasses of punch and each glass has radius 5 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. What must be the minimum capacity of the punch bowl in cubic centimeters? So, volume of one glass, because each guest is expected to drink 3 cylindrical glasses. So, volume is nothing but pi r square h. Pi r square h. R is what? 5 square. 22 by 7 into radius square is 25 into 10. So that is volume of one glass. So volume of 50 guests and each guest is taking 3 cylindrical glasses. So 150. That is 50 into 3. I can take 3 into 50 is into 22 by 7 into 25 into 10. Sorry. So now this is pi will keep as it is. This pi will keep as it is. This is 25 into 10, or otherwise 75 into 100, 75 into 500. So 5 5 is 25, 5 7 is 35 plus 2, 37. So 37,500 pi units. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. The volume of a cylinder shown is 225 pi cubic inches. Height is given as 9 inches. What is the diameter of the base? Very, very simple question he gave. So volume is pi r square h, that is equal to 225. H is given as 9. So pi r square into 9 is 225. So r square is 225 by 9 into pi is 22 by 7. So this is 9 2's 18, 45, 9 5 is 45 into 7 by 9 into 22. That is r square. Now r is root of 25 into 7 by 9 into 22. That is 5 by 3 pi, I can write radius. So diameter is 10 by 3 pi. Oh, 225 pi he gave, children. We forgot pi. So this gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. Pi will not be there. It is 10 by 3. Pi will not be there. So 9 cancels. So 9 cancels 25 times. So this is all gone. So we'll rewrite that. So there is some small change. See, it is like this. Pi r square h equal to 225 pi. Okay. So pi gets cancelled first of all. R square into 9 equal to 225. R square equal to 25. R equal to 5. So diameter is 2R. That is 10. So option is B. Okay, let us go to the next question. Yeah. The figure given is a cylinder of 12 feet high. This is 12 feet. It is capped by a hemisphere with radius 4 feet. So radius is given. So this is 8. Okay, and this is 4. Now, what is the volume of the figure? Volume of figure is volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus 4 by 3 pi r cube into half hemisphere. No? So this is pi r square is common, we can take h plus 2 by 3 r. So pi into 4 square is 16 into height is 12 plus 2 by 3 times r is 4. So 8 by 3. This is 36 plus 8. 44 into 16 pi by 3. So 16 4 64. 16 4 64 plus 4 is 68 pi by 3. cubic units. Oh, sorry, this is 70. So option A. Okay. So let us go to the next question. Okay. In the figure, a sphere is inscribed in a cylinder so that the diameter of the sphere is same as the diameter of the cylinder, and height of the cylinder, diameter of cylinder and height of cylinder, what is the value of? So that means it is exactly fitting into the cylinder. So that means height is equal to 2 times radius. Uh, volume of sphere by volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. By cylinder is pi r square into h is 2r. So pi r cube gets cancelled. 2 by 3 you will be getting. 2/3. So option is B. Please note it fast, quick. Okay. Let us go to the next question, children. So the figure shows the mechanical part in the shape of a steel cylinder 8 inches high, 6 inches in diameter, and inner the one is 3 inches. Is drilled through the mechanical part. The density of steel is this. So what is the mass nearest to the pounds? So volume is volume of external one minus volume of internal one. So what is the volume of external one? Pi r square h. So pi into 8 into 6 square minus 3 square. That is 8 pi into 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 3 is 27. So 7 8 is 56, 7 8 to 16 plus 5, 21. Fine. This is the volume. So weight equal to volume into density. Volume into density. So that is 490 into 216 pi. So that inches we need to convert to this one, feet. So all are given in inches. So divided by 12 into 12 into 12 by 12 into 12 into 12. So 12 ones 12, 12 eights 96. So this is 6 twos, 6 threes. And 2 cancels 490. That is 2, 2 fours 8, 5. 2 is cancelled. Into 3 cancels this 12 4 times. So pi is 22 by 7 and 4. So 7 cancels 3 21 times and 35. 7 cancels 7 3 is 21, 7 5 is 35. So 2 cancel, I mean this is 22 So that is 35 into 11 by 2. So 11 5 is 55, 11 3 is 33 plus 5 38 by 2. That is the final answer. So there appears to be some mistake somewhere because no options are seen here. So now, so that is volume of X is 4 pi r square h. H is 8. Pi into h, if I take common, 6 square minus 3 square. This is 6 plus 3 is 9 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So 27 into 8 pi. So 7 8 56, 8 to 16 plus 5 21, 216 pi. So there should be some difference here. 490 into 216 pi by 12 into 12 into 12 because that inches should be converted to feet. So now, so calculation errors could be there. So 12 ones 12, 12 eights are 96. So 18. So the next 6 2 6 threes. They'll 3 cancels 4 times. So now you'll be getting it as 495. 490 by 2 is 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s 10. 245. This 2 is cancelled. So you are getting 245 by 4 into pi is 22 by 7. 7 3 is 21. 7 5 is 35. 35. So 22 into 35 by 4. So 2 cancels 2 times and this 2 ones 2 11s by 2. So there is no error. So anyway, process you can take. And solution is this. Okay, children. So let us go to the next question. Yeah, there is one error which I find. So this is diameter. We need to take radius. So divided by 4. So this is 2 pi. So children will restructure it. So look at this. So volume is pi h into capital R square minus small r square. So this is pi into h is 8 into r square is diameter is 6. So 3 square minus 1.5 square. This is 8 pi into 3 plus 1.5 is 4.5 into 3 minus 1.5 is 1.5. Yes, this is the mistake we have done. Let us correct it, children. So we know the volume. So weight equal to volume into density, or capital D we call. Volume is what? 8 pi into 45 into 15 by 10 into 10 into 12 into 12 into 12, because I'm converting into feet into 490. So now you'll get it. So 4 2 cubes, so this is cancelled. You'll get 6 into 6 into 6. So here you'll get 3 2s, 3 5s, 3 2s, 3 15s, 3 2s, 3 5s. Okay. So 5 2s, 5 2s. So this is 22 by 7 into 490 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 32. 7 cancel 70 times, 2 cancel 16 times. So 2 cancels, this is 8 times and this is 11. So this is 35 into 11 by 8. So 35 into 11 by 8. So this is 1 point. You're getting 30, means 8 fours approximately. So 1.4 approximately into 5, 35. This is 20, 4 3 is 12 plus 2, 14, then 35. So this is 0, 9, 4, 49, approximately 40. This is the answer. Okay, with this we close here today's session. We'll continue in tomorrow's class. Have a great day and good time. Thank you.